Placeat Design Service Review. Watch before using. Most people get online design tools wrong. They think they need Photoshop skills or expensive software. Placeat is different. The surprising truth is how fast and intuitive it is for creating professional designs, and you won't believe how many templates are ready to use for logos, mockups, videos, and more. Here's how it works. Placeat offers a library of templates for social media posts, product mockups, logos, and promotional videos. You choose a template, customize text, colors, and images, and download your finished design. No prior design skills are required, making it ideal for small businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs. For example, an Etsy seller can create a professional t-shirt mockup in minutes, complete with realistic product images and branding. Most people get this wrong. They assume design platforms are complicated, but Placeat simplifies the process without sacrificing quality. Additional features include animated social media templates, video intros, and even branding kits. It also integrates with stock images and videos, so you have plenty of creative assets at your fingertips. However, there are considerations. While many templates are free, the full library and high-resolution downloads require a subscription. Most people assume all templates are free. It's important to review plan options before starting large projects. In conclusion, Placeat is perfect for anyone who needs fast, professional quality designs without steep learning curves. Its combination of templates, customization, and user-friendly interface makes it a reliable creative tool for marketing, branding, and content creation. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of design and creative tools.